a member of parliament is tragically shot right in front of their own house, and absolutely no one can do anything at all about it.
What would you like to be in your next life?
Even if I were to become an animal in my very next life, I would absolutely never want to become a woman quite like me.
Rumors and disgrace began to spread in the village. The village headman's son tried to force himself on Phulan Devi, and Phulan was thrown out of the village. But before and after every operation, at Phulan's insistence, the entire gang would always go to a Durga temple to offer prayers. It was Vikram who told Phulan, if you have to kill, then kill 20. If you kill just one, people will call you a murderer and hang you. Anyway, Babu Gujjar also had his eyes on Phulan. For the next 72 hours, he physically abused her. But on the evening of the third day, an unexpected twist occurred in the story. About 24 years ago, on the 25th of July, 2001, an incident took place in Delhi that was so unbelievable, it was hard to accept even for a moment. That day, in broad daylight, just 10 minutes away from the Indian Parliament, a member of Parliament was shot in front of their house, and no one could do anything. To truly understand what exactly happened on the day the infamous Chambal Bandit Phulan Devi was murdered, you first need to get a clear idea of the locations involved. Look, this is the old Parliament building. Right in front of this building is the Sansad Chowk, and if you go further from Sansad Chowk, you reach Patel Chowk. If you take a left from Patel Chowk, you come to Ashoka Road, and it was on this very Ashoka Road at house number 44 that Phulan Devi lived. Now, let's come back to the Parliament building. The date is the 25th of July 2001, and there was a lunch break in Parliament. At 1:20 PM, this car is leaving the Parliament, and there are 4 people inside. Sitting in the back seat are Phulan Devi and her personal security guard, Balwinder Singh. In the front seat are Raghuraj Singh Shakya and his driver, who are giving Phulan Devi a lift to her home at this time. The car moves forward and reaches Patel Chowk. Then from there, it goes to Ashoka Road, and in front of 44 Ashoka Road, that is in front of Phulan Devi's house, Phulan Devi and her personal security guard are dropped off, and Member of Parliament R. S. Shakya and his driver Lee. When Phulan Devi was dropped off in front of her house, at that very moment, a green Maruti 800 was parked on the other side with 3 shooters wearing monkey caps inside. As soon as Phulan Devi and her personal security guard started to enter the house, these 3 shooters followed Phulan Devi and, getting close, began firing. Security guard Balwinder Singh was shot in the stomach and fell right there. During this firing, Phulan Devi was shot a total of 5 times, one of which was a point-blank shot fired directly in the middle of her forehead. Hearing the sound of gunshots, Phulan Devi's husband, Umet Singh, came outside. He saw that Phulan Devi and the bodyguard, both covered in blood, were lying on the ground, and the 3 shooters, wearing monkey caps, were escaping from the shooting site in their green Maruti 800. Umet Singh immediately called for an ambulance and waited for quite a while, but the ambulance never arrived. So then Umet Singh put Phulan Devi and Balwinder Singh